In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Airtable without duplications. We'll walk through a clean, reliable import process and make sure you don't end up with repeated records. First, open the Airtable base where you want the data to land. If you haven't already, switch to the specific table you'll be updating so you can see the fields and any existing records that might overlap with what you're importing. Next, create a unique identifier field. This is the anchor Airtable can use to spot repeats. Good candidates are things like an email address, a customer ID, or an order number, anything that is guaranteed to be one of a kind per record. Add a new field and name it clearly, then choose a fitting type, such as single-line text or email. Make sure there are no blanks or shared values in this field for the records you already have. If multiple records share the same identifier, Airtable won't know which is correct. At the top of your table, click Add or Import. This opens the import options. Choose where your data is coming from, whether that's a CSV file you exported, a Google Sheets tab, or an Excel file. If possible, tidy your source file first by ensuring column headers are clear and consistent with your Airtable field names. Clean headers make mapping much easier. Now, match the fields correctly. In the import preview, map each incoming column to the appropriate Airtable field, paying special attention to your unique identifier. Avoid creating accidental new fields with similar names. If a column doesn't belong in your base, set it to Do Not Import. Before you commit, quickly scan your existing table for any records that share the same identifiers as the ones you're about to add. A brief check now can prevent confusion later, especially with emails or IDs you know recur often. When everything looks right, click Import. Airtable will add the new records based on your mappings. Keep in mind that Airtable doesn't automatically merge duplicates during a standard import, which is why your unique identifier is so important. After the import completes, use filtering to find duplicates. Add a filter for your unique identifier field and look for values that appear more than once. You can type suspected values into the filter to zero in on any repeats quickly. If you find duplicates, remove or merge them manually. Keep the version with the most complete and accurate information, and only delete the extra record once you've confirmed nothing important will be lost. Thanks for watching.